Hi, I believe this is your website. The reason that I am recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, let me show it to you now. Here. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery and your contact details and maybe some other services that you might want to add or about the company. Yes. Now, if this website would be, good for you or would be helpful for you, do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Yeah, talk to you soon.